My name is Artem Butov. I'm a CEO of Marksel. I'm here in the performance marketing industry like for 15 years, and 20 years I have my career in marketing, digital marketing, communication strategy planning. So I have pretty wide experience like in communication planning. Last years I'm focusing on building a platform for scaling traffic processes, for tracking, and for building infrastructure for digital marketing companies. If you speak to people from dating industry, well, almost all of them are saying like dating is dying. Well, okay, $7 billion industry in 2025. It's not looking like a dying one, isn't it? Yeah, of course. When we say that dating industry is dying, probably we speak about only casual dating, only adult dating, that a lot of companies are represented here. What we see, what we experience here. So first of all, of course, we see the new generation is coming. So 5-7 years ago, it was millennials that were using products like Tinder, like casual dating apps, adult dating websites, and the purpose of using was a bit different. Tinder, from the match group, claims that the revenue reducing from year to year, and another nice brand from the match group, from the same group, Hinge, declaring growth from year to year because the value of product is another. Tinder is just swiping, it's just casual dating, where Hinge offers more deep encourage to the conversation, to the emotional stuff. So what does it mean? That Gen Z, they are still looking for finding love, finding relationships, but they're looking for being more emotional, for more emotional connections, not just only cool photos. So that is why probably the casual and adult dating products that we know how they look, yeah, probably they're like outdated and they are not really working for them anymore. For them, like all this product, all this dating apps, they work as part of the funnel, not the final point. So that's why people spend less money on products like this. So what's holding market back? Actually, there are a few points. Outdated products, that is true, because the old-fashioned products, like with a granny interface, they are not working anymore. Like static funnels and legacy UX, they are not working in the world of rapid developing AI technologies. Look at their products. Another thing is that subscription heavy models, they are really complicated. Because of the model, people don't want to subscribe to put their cards. It's just better to buy tokens to pay for what they're really interested in. Another thing is like payments processing complication. We know all of this because it's getting harder and harder to make recurrent charging. Building a revenue on the old models are getting harder these days. Another thing is like traffic arbitrage regulations. It's happening like during last 10 years since I've been involved in the industry, in the dating, in the gray hat, black hat industries. So yes, the restrictions are coming like every month, every year, but we still know how to manage it. What we have to do is to make changes and rebuild our business processes for not being affected by all those changes. What is the main problem that we faced like last few years? This is not the top problem, one of problems, the domain bans, because Google and Meta, they changed the algorithm of blocking domains, of flagging them, because they're more focused on AI detecting of fraudulent activities. And that is why these algorithms are not excellent, they are not perfect. And that is why a lot of domains are being blocked just because AI did some wrong decision. The second thing is just they're analyzing all the chains. So if your domain receives traffic from bad sources, send traffic to bad sources that were flagged before, so your domain will be blocked in the chain. Another thing, that if your domain connects to a company that has already flagged domains, Google and Meta will ban it because it is in a group of suspicious domains.